Hello everyone, welcome to Motor Standards Hub. In this first video of this channel, we will start our journey of motor standards, specifically with IEC 60034 standard. If you are an electrical engineer, technician, student or working in industry, this series will help you to clearly understand motor ratings, safety, compliances and performance requirements. So let's begin. Let us first understand why motor standards are required. Imagine if every motor manufacturer used different voltage ratings, insulation class levels, or testing methods. This would create a serious safety risk and performance issues. What motor standards do? Motor standards ensure safety of people and equipment, consistent performance, interchangeability of motors, global acceptance. That is why international standards are essential. So what is IEC? IEC stands for International Electrotechnical Commission. It is a global organization that develops and publishes international standards for electrical and electronic technologies. IEC standards are used worldwide by manufacturers, testing labs and industries. These are the requirements given in the standards so that all the manufacturers can make the machines as per that. All the labs should be able to test the machines as per the requirement given in the standards, and this helps to make the similar kind of equipments having similar performance requirements, safety requirements. One of the most important IC standard for electrical motor is IC 60034. So we can say that these IEC standards are really a complete guide for electrical engineers. IC 60034 is a series of standards related to rotating electrical machines, mainly electric motors. It defines requirements for electrical ratings, thermal limits, insulation classes, cooling methods, performance and testing. In simple words, IEC 60034 tells us how a motor should be designed, tested and rated. So we are going to look at all the aspects of these requirements, how ratings are defined with respect to frame sizes, what are their thermal limits, what are the different insulation classes, and then how these machines are getting cooled. Based on that, their categories are there. So as I said in the previous slide, IC 60034 covers ratings and performance. That means it covers rated voltage, current, power and speed, temperature rise and insulation classes, efficiency and losses. Tolerances are given on these efficiency figures. Those are given in the tabular format. Testing methods by which efficiency should be determined, then cooling methods and protection. Testing and acceptance criteria for this machine. Each part of the IC 60034 focuses on a specific topic, which we will explain in the upcoming videos. IC 60034 is used wherever electric motors are designed, tested, selected or operated. First, it is used by motor manufacturers to design motors with correct ratings, insulation, cooling and performance. Second, it is widely used in industries and factories such as manufacturing plants, oil and gas, cement, steel and water treatment, where motors must operate safely and reliably. Then Third, testing laboratories and inspection agencies use IEC 60034 to verify motor performance, temperature rise, efficiency, and compliance. All the manufacturers are going towards these agencies for testing their machines, or few machines the BIS agencies can also pick up from market, or wherever governing standard agencies are there, they can pick up the product from market and they can give it the machines for testing to these labs with respect to standard requirement. So they verify motor performance, temperature rise, efficiency and compliance. IEC 60034 is also important for power generation and utilities, where motors are critical for pumps, fans, and auxiliaries. Finally, IEC 60034 enables global acceptance, meaning a motor designed according to IEC standard can be used and exported worldwide. So who should learn IEC 60034? So actually all students should learn this. Project engineers, then electrical engineers and designers, quality and testing teams, motor manufacturers. Even if you are not a manufacturer of any electrical machine, understanding this standard helps you to select the right motor safely for your requirement. So it is necessary that all this community should have a basic knowledge of IC 60034 and its requirements given in the standard. So IC 60034 is a series of different parts. So IC 60034-1 explain about rating and performance requirements. Then 60034-2 gives about the losses and efficiency requirements. Then IC 60034-5 it says about protection classes, and dash 6 about the cooling methods. So step by step we are going to look at all these explanations in simple, practical and industry oriented way. So in upcoming videos we will cover each part one by one. So what is coming next? IC 60034-1 explained simply, temperature rise and insulation classes, nameplate details, efficiency and testing basics. Thank you for watching the introduction to IEC 60034. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to Motor Standards Hub and motivate me. In the next video, we will start with IEC 60034-1 rating and performance. Stay connected, stay inspired. See you in the next video.